The Canon EOS Rebel T7 continues to make waves in the world of entry-level DSLR cameras, providing adults and aspiring photographers an accessible yet powerful tool for capturing high-quality images. As of July 2025, the Rebel T7 remains a leading choice for beginners, and recent updates shed light on why this classic device still holds a firm place in the market, even as newer models with advanced features enter the scene. Let's take a closer look at what makes the Canon EOS Rebel T7 such a compelling option for tech-savvy adults seeking a reliable camera. The heart of this device is its 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, which pairs with Canon's Digic 4 Plus image processor. This duo ensures that photos come out sharp, vibrant, and detailed, whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or everyday moments. The native ISO range of 100 to 6400, expandable up to 12 to 8000, means you can confidently shoot in a wide variety of lighting conditions, from bright sunlight to dim indoor spaces. One of the standout features for those new to DSLR photography is the user-friendly interface. The Rebel T7 is designed with simplicity in mind, making it easy to navigate settings and adjust controls, even if you're just getting started. The camera's 9-point autofocus system is capable and straightforward, performing best with still or slow-moving subjects. However, it's important to note that this autofocus system may face challenges when tracking fast-moving objects or operating in low-light environments. For most casual photographers, though, it provides a solid foundation for learning the ropes. Video capabilities on the Rebel T7 are solid, though not cutting-edge. It supports full HD video recording at 30 frames per second, which is sufficient for most basic video needs like vlogging, family events, or travel diaries. However, if you're looking for 4K resolution or advanced video features, you may want to consider some of Canon's newer models, such as the EOS R10. Still, for many users, the T7's video quality is more than adequate for sharing memories online or archiving personal moments. Connectivity is another area where the Rebel T7 shines for adults who love to stay connected. Built-in Wi-Fi and NFC make it easy to share images directly to your smartphone, tablet, or computer. You can even control the camera remotely using compatible devices, adding flexibility for group shots or creative self-portraits. This seamless integration into a digital lifestyle is key for today's tech-savvy consumers who value convenience. In terms of physical design, reviewers note the camera's robustness and comfortable grip, making it suitable for longer shooting sessions. However, there are some trade-offs to consider. Notably, the Rebel T7 does not feature a touchscreen or an articulating rear screen, two features that have become more common in newer cameras. Its fixed LCD is bright and functional, but those seeking a more interactive experience may find this limiting. Another factor to weigh is the continuous shooting speed, which is capped at 3 frames per second. While this is more than enough for casual photography, like capturing family gatherings or scenic vistas, it may fall short for sports and action photography enthusiasts. Affordability is a major selling point in 2025. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 has seen significant price reductions, with recent offers dropping it to $346.99 at major retailers like Walmart, a notable decrease from its original MSRP of $479.99. This makes it one of the most accessible DSLRs for adults looking to upgrade from smartphone photography without breaking the bank. While the market now includes more advanced options, the Rebel T7's compatibility with Canon's wide range of EF and EFS lenses provides excellent opportunities for future upgrades. As your skills grow, so can your lens collection, making the Rebel T7 a reliable gateway into more serious photography. In summary, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 remains a top recommendation for adults searching for a blend of quality, ease of use, and value. As always, High-Tech Gadgets News will continue to provide the latest updates and reviews to keep you informed on the best gear for your creative journey. If you found this video helpful, please like this video. For more product specifications and pricing, click on the link below this video to shop on Amazon now and you will be taken right to the product page. More breaking high-tech news is available on our blog at besthightechgadgetsforadults.com. Don't forget to subscribe now to our YouTube channel, Best High-Tech Gadgets for Adults. Stay tuned to High-Tech Gadgets News for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest high-tech releases.